Trading Group. Everybody's doing well this morning. We are a little after 8 a.m. ish in the morning, and I wanted to recap a little bit of what we talked about yesterday. Okay, if you watch the videos yesterday, obviously we flipped here and we went short. Okay, and so you can kind of see that here from Bitcoin short from the 43,000 level, XRP short from 80 cents. Cardano short from 131 and Ethereum short from 33.80. And where we are now, 32.18, 124, 76, and 42,200. We are watching now. Okay, so the ultimate question I've gotten this morning already in a couple texts is, when do we get out of our shorts? Okay. Now, I'm still a highly correlated fanatic. So I believe that if we were to see 42,000, Bitcoin break through 42,000, these shorts remain open, okay? Because I firmly believe that if it breaks 42,000, that it is going to probably move down further in the low 41,000 range, possibly into the 40,000 range to test that, okay? Nonsense again. I mean, that's the behavior. If you look at it, some declining RSI levels on the 4-hour, the trend, TSI down, okay, in terms of the trend index, TSI trend strength index. So you want to factor that in here. So going into the weekend, right? What really are we looking at here? So in order for us to want to exit our short trades and flip to be buyers on leverage, we want the IOMAP supply and demand barriers to hold. Okay, we want that 42,000 level at 42,000 to hold. Okay, it's at 42,339. You can see Ethereum. We have the Ethereum chart open. You can see what we've seen with Ethereum. Both of Bitcoin and Ethereum on the 4-hour are testing lower quadrant areas, okay, on their cloud. Okay, so that's important. Now, they're also, if you look at it from that perspective, below their moving averages on the 4-hour, 21, 7-day. Okay, that's bearish. Okay, don't listen to anyone telling you that moving averages don't matter. You can go on YouTube and you can Google moving averages strategy. Okay, there are tons of YouTubers who are technical analytics that focus solely on the moving average strategy. You don't need me to tell you that. There's tons. You can just educate yourself on YouTube with it. Okay, it's a thing. Okay, and so what we want to see here to exit our shorts is any reversal here on the 1-hour to start, but the 4-hour candle to where we're going to go back at the lower level first moving average at 3260, which would be the 21-day in Ethereum on the 4-hour. You got to look for Bitcoin as well. That's what you're looking at. That would cause us to then, okay, we're going to move a little bit higher here. All right. She has to settle in. And like when you're looking at Ethereum, you're looking at Ethereum settling down here. You know, she's got underlying support areas, but that's what's going to, and Bitcoin's going to drive it. Okay. So if Bitcoin begins to turn green, okay, and flip, you're going to see the other coins follow suit, okay, within the hour. That's usually what happens, okay? They're all down because Bitcoin's down today, except for Dogecoin. Dogecoin is pumping because of ridiculous FOMO from another Elon Musk, Doge FOMO. Like, Dogecoin's going to be accepted for Tesla merchandise, okay? I don't really see a lot of people wearing Tesla merchandise, but my part of the country, I'm on the East Coast. I don't see people wearing, I don't see a lot of Teslas either. So that could just be, news injection because Doge has been floundering for the last 30 to 60 days. So we'll see. So we're short Doge. Okay. And so that was an entry this morning, a little bit above 19 cents, almost 20 cents, because it's unbelievably high on its RSI level and it's crazy FOMO with a huge wick. So I suggest you go and check that out. But I anticipate Doge to fall back probably to 17 cents, capture a nice short trade, scalp trade on, a couple hours from now, because it's, in the big scheme of things, everything else is down, but Doge is up based on a news release. Okay, that's the same news release we heard actually 5 months ago. But so that's where we are, mates.